This video is all about the application of trigonometric identities. Now, if we are given tan theta is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square, and theta is an acute angle, that is, now find the value of sine theta and cos theta in terms of t. That is the question. Now, with this question, we know that let me change this to white. We know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. This is one of the trigonometric identity. Now, dividing all through by cos square theta, we now have this will cancel out. You have 1 plus this will now be tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now we know the value of tan square theta, so we can rearrange this expression to be sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And now have 1 plus tan square theta is 2t divided by 1 minus t square all squared. Then that means you have 1 plus, now let's open up this bracket. You now have 2t raised to power 2 all over 1 minus t square all raised to power 2. So this is the same thing as saying 1 plus the numerator here now will now be 4t squared divided by 1 minus t square all squared. So now all squared. So now let's go to the next page. You have sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus 4t squared divided by what? 1 minus t squared all squared. So this is the same thing as saying 1 is the same thing as saying, now I want the denominators to be the same. So what I will do is I will say 1 minus t squared all squared divided by 1 minus t squared all squared plus, so this is equal to what? This 1, because these are the same. If you cancel it out, it's still 1. So plus 4t squared all over 1 minus t squared all squared. So this, since the denominators are the same, we add the numerators, which is 1 minus t squared all squared plus 4t squared all over 1 minus t squared all squared. Now, if we expand this expression here, you now have 1 minus 2t squared plus t raised to power 4, then plus 4t squared all over 1 minus t squared all squared. Now, the up, we now have to bring the like terms. Now we have 1. Now 1 is only, the constant is only 1. Then the 1 of t squared, you have this and this. So if you add them together, you have plus 2t squared. Then you now have plus t raised to power 4 divided by 1 minus t squared all squared. Now this expression is the same thing as saying 1 plus t squared all squared divided by 1 minus t squared all squared. Now, since we have gotten this, then sec squared theta is, that means sec squared is equal to 1 plus t squared all squared divided by 1 minus t squared all squared. And you know that sec square theta is the same thing as 1 all over cos square theta. So 1 all over sec square theta is equal to cos square theta all over 1. So since we have this, then now we can now replace it here. You say 1 all over cos square theta is equal to, so this sec square theta is equal to 1 over cos square theta. So it's equal to 1 plus t square all squared divided by 1 minus t squared all squared. Now, with the way this is, we can reverse this. You now have cos square theta all over 1 is equal to, so what you do to the left hand side, you also do to the right hand side. So we also have to reverse this. Since we have reversed this, we reverse this too. You have 1 minus t square all of t all squared divide by 1 plus t squared all squared. So that means cos square theta is equal to 1 minus t squared all squared divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. So now taking the square root of both sides, you now have cos theta equal to plus or minus 1 minus t squared or 1 minus t squared all over 1 plus t squared. Now, since theta is an acute angle, so all an acute angle is in the first quadrant because it's less than 90. So this 90 is greater than this angle because it's an acute angle. So all the trigonometric functions are positive. So the negative value is not the right answer. So cos theta will now be 1 minus t square all divided by 1 plus t square. So it's just a positive answer. Now, we have gotten our cos theta. So, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta. So that means if you multiply both sides by cos theta, that means this will cancel out. That means sin theta is equal to tan theta cos theta. And tan theta is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square times cos theta is equal to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. So this will cancel out. You now have sin theta equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. So, and sin theta is also positive. So that is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.